For makeup, I'm a brush person completely and I have an obsession for good makeup brushes. So first I'm using e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This primer does it all. It blurs pore, fine lines, skin texture and also pigmentation. Next I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Fresher Foundation. My shade is 260. Now for this video of my channel, I am using the products that I like a lot. Now this L'Oreal foundation gives such a flawless finish which is nearly comparable to many high-end foundation. Now it gives a satin finish that looks very healthy on skin. Now currently it is looking little light on me, but as it will oxidize, it will then match perfectly with my skin tone. By the way, I am a normal to dry skin person. For brows, I like to use brow pomade with a shadow brush. Now I am using PAC brow pomade, which is very good one. Now I prefer to clean the outline of my brows with a concealer. For this, I go for Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. This technique gives brows a clean look that helps to structure the face better. For concealer, I am using the Curl Favorite Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. The formula of this concealer is so lightweight, yet it gives very nice coverage. The shade Pure Beige is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, hence it gives uplift effect on my face. Now for a full face of makeup, I like to lift my face using concealer like this. Then I am setting my face using Maybelline Loose Powder in the shade Light. Now this loose powder sets the face very well, don't dry the face too much and also gives a little extra coverage. For eye makeup, I am using e.l.f. Cosmetic Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette Rose Water. Now for drugstore makeup, I like e.l.f. products a lot, and among drugstore eyeshadow palettes, this Bite Size palettes are a great option. I like this Bite Size palette of e.l.f. so much that I think now I have 7 variants of this palette range in my vanity. The other variant I am using today for my makeup is Akai U. Now for eyeshadow, I like medium pigmentation which blends nicely and I can build the color. Now for a nice eye look, I think blending is everything. Now I have hooded eyes with very small lid space. Hence I always use small flat head eye brushes for the makeup of my upper lid. The color schemes of this e.l.f. palettes are really very nice. Now I am curling my lashes. Now I am almost a no lash person. Hence curling helps me a lot. For mascara, I always go for Maybelline ones. This Falsies Lash Lift Mascara gives volume, length, curl, everything. But you should apply only one coat of it. Otherwise, if you apply multiple coat, then your lashes will look too clumpy. For contour/bronzing, I am using my current favorite Makeup Revolution Roxasaurus palette. Now to contour or bronze, I prefer neutral or cool tone product. Most of the bronzers that are available in Indian market have orange or red undertone, which makes it very warm. Now the shades of the bronzers of this palette are really nice, but you have to use a good quality fluffy brush, otherwise it may look a little patchy. Now this palette also has 4 highlighters that I feel so unnecessary to carry. I prefer only bronzer or only highlighter palette. Now I am using some loose powder to clean my jawline and reduce my nose contour. Now I have a very sharp nose, hence my nose contour always bothers me. Now to line my lips, I am using Nykaa lip liner in the shade Rocker Cheek. For my upper lip, I outline it a little. My lower lip is much thicker than my upper lip, so for my lower lip, I use a dark lip liner which creates a little shadow effect. To fill my lip, I am using 2 shades today. One is e.l.f. Cosmetic Liquid Lipstick Berry Sorbet. Another one is MAC Liquid Lipstick Tailored to Tease. The e.l.f. one is more pink while the MAC one is more purplish. Before applying lip color, I generally cover my lips with little concealer. It gives a fuller, smooth look to the lids. For blush, I am using e.l.f. Bite Size Face Duo palette in the shade Pomegranate. This duo palette of e.l.f. is also very nice and affordable. Then I am using a gem of my vanity, that is Becca highlighter in the shade Prismatic Amethyst. Now this highlighter is no more available, so you may use highlighter that has little blue or purple tone. Otherwise you can also go for silvery or champagne color highlighter, but don't choose a golden or yellow tone one for this look. Now I am cleaning the corner of my lips with concealer. Finally, to set my face, I am using MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so my makeup is done. Now have a close look of this makeup once more. If you regret my look, then don't forget to tag me. I love to see your work. Thanks for being with me till the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.